Good morning from Disney's Animal Kingdom. If you are new here, my name is Haley.
And I'm Tommy.
And we're magically making it more. Today we are spending the day and actually gonna spend the whole week with some of our favorite people on the entire planet.
Yeah, some very special Disney friends.
Yeah, so we just got up here. It is 10:40 right now. We just drove up. We dropped the dog off this morning, packed for 7 weeks in Disney, even though we're spending 1 week here.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna head into Animal Kingdom, meet up with our friends. We'll show you who we're meeting and we'll bring you along for the day. So if that interests you, stay tuned. We have not been to Animal Kingdom since the trams have been back. So super lovely. I know, it's the best way to go too. You can enter right, you can enter left, or you can enter through. Then you pop out right in the middle. We are in the parks, and now we are headed towards Everest to meet up with our peeps. Can't wait. Skipping right by it's tough to be a bug forever and always. Blah. How was it? Yeah, I know, I could see your hair from out there. A little wet? But now you can't see the sweat, so it's okay.
Exactly. It's just camouflage.
As you can see, Tommy, Brandon, and I were a little soggy. Our next order of business is to go and get some food, and I think we decided on Flame Tree Barbecue. So we're gonna get some pulled pork mac and cheese, which sounds delicious.
Yum yum.
And maybe like a refreshing drink.
Sounds good.
Sounds pretty good. So I think we should probably mobile order.
Yeah.
So we can get that through. So we'll show you what we get. Alright, so we're at Flame Tree Barbecue. We got things to share because that's the only reason we're getting married, so we can share food forever. So we have mac and cheese with pulled pork, barbecue, coleslaw, onion rings. And then this is like a smokehouse salad, and so it has pulled chicken, cornbread croutons, like a barbecue ranch it said, which I don't know if I believe that at this point. It just looks like barbecue. This supposedly is a mango slushie and a Sprite.
Sprite, big Sprite.
Big Sprite. We just left Flame Tree. Oh, my sunglasses are in the backpack. What'd you think?
It was really good. I'd never had it before.
Yeah.
It was very solid.
Yeah, the salad was a little disappointing. I definitely thought it was gonna be like for like $12. A little more chicken, and like they said there was like a ranch barbecue dressing.
Barbecue sauce.
Just a little barbecue sauce on it, but altogether it was good. And even though the slushie looked like bright yellow, it was really good.
I'm satisfied, yeah.
We just did some photos.
Yep, nice little pictures.
And now we are entering into Pandora. We're gonna go on Flight of Passage. And then, I don't know. But we're gonna go on Flight of Passage now. I'm excited. I haven't been on in so long, I feel like, because it's like never worth waiting in the line. But now that we go into the lightning lane,
zooming in.
we're lightning right through. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We just got off of Navi River Journey.
Yeah.
The animatronic is as good as ever. And now we're gonna get on Flight of Passage, at least some of us are. We're gonna get on Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
And then it's only 1:06.
Yeah.
So there's a lot to do and a lot of time. We just got off a Flight of Passage and it was amazing. So now we're gonna go and do it again, right away. We just hopped off Flight of Passage for the second time.
Round two.
It was just as good. This lighting is terrible. I honestly feel like I got used to like the motion, because I usually get a little motion sick, but now we're in the store and then we're gonna get a rum blossom, but I think this is a new Pandora Loungefly, and it's so cool with the Banshee, like you've got everything in there. We're at Pongu Pongu, and we're here because we need a rum blossom. Hi, can I have 2 rum blossoms, please? We got our rum blossom. It's so good. Heidi got her fave drink.
Yum.
Little gorilla.
Little gorilla.
And then there's some more over here. Just having a little snack time. All the way hiding.
Yeah, that one is just being sneaky behind the tree.
But we haven't updated you, but clearly, whoa.
It's very close.
Whoa.
That's a little bit better.
There we go. We're on Gorilla Falls. We're gonna do some walking trails. We're gonna do dinosaur. We did, obviously you saw Kilimanjaro Safari. It's very hot. We have dinner at Yak and Yeti in about 2 hours.
7, right?
6. There's another gorilla over there. Ooh, a lot more. Sorry, we've been interrupted by gorilla activity. It's definitely dinner time for the animals in Animal Kingdom right now.
Get in there with them. Throw out.
The party, everybody wants up the place. Everybody wanna
Alright, we did a little bit of shopping.
Yeah, we said we weren't gonna do any shopping, but I did some shopping. But.
Yeah, but they were worth it. And now, after shopping, it's on to Tommy's favorite ride.
Yeah, we made it.
Dinosaur. The whole crew went earlier before we were here, but thankfully,
circle back around.
yeah, they
indulged us.
Yeah, they're happy to go back on again. And then we have our dinner reservation at 6 o'clock at Yak and Yeti. I think I literally cut off what I was saying last time because there was the baby gorilla.
Yeah, there was a gorilla, yeah.
And so we have Yak and Yeti at 6 o'clock. And we learned our lesson last time to not get too much food.
Yeah, we ordered so much the last time we were there.
It was crazy.
And we like brought fried rice home, like a ton of fried rice.
But it was all so good.
It was crazy, but it's very good. Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, we made it to Yak and Yeti. It's 5:49, so perfect timing. It's hot, we're hungry, we're ready to eat.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be really good.
Our main goal is just not to order way too much food like we did the last
Which
time.
probably will still happen.
But we want to order a reasonable.
Yeah. Vlogception. Okay, so we have the ahi tuna nachos. So it's like poke and spicy mayo and then pickled veggies and like lettuce, and then it's all in like wonton chips, and then wok fried green beans with like a Thai sweet chili sauce.
I'm excited.
Yeah, we've had those before and they're so good. All right. Good, right?
Now's a good time to practice.
Tommy got the chicken tikka masala, which looks delicious with jasmine rice and like grilled naan. And then I got the dragon roll bowl, which is ahi or poke tuna, poke salmon, the like kani, which is like the imitation crab, edamame cucumber, pineapple meat, mango?
Corn, I believe.
No, mango.
Oh, I don't know.
Pickled cucumbers and then like crunchy tempura flake and avocado and carrot and ginger. We had this before and it's so good. And then Heidi got the honey chicken, which looks super good with fresh vegetables. I don't know that I would say that we succeeded in our mission of not over ordering food.
I feel good. I feel good.
I feel good. But the nachos might be, I'm gonna have to really think about it.
Yeah, we'd have
might
to put a
be
list
my
together, but
favorite Disney food on property, period. Point blank, period.
like, period. It is, they are really good.
The green beans, delicious. The dragon roll bowl, I knew I was gonna like because I got it last time and it was so good.
Yeah.
I didn't like Tommy's tikka masala.
Yeah, I got tikka masala. Tikka masala I don't think is as good as butter chicken.
Yeah, and the color, I just like, my brain was like, that's gonna taste like butter chicken, and
but
it
I
didn't.
like tikka masala, it was good. The naan was really good.
Yeah. And I got like a lychee refresher, a lychee, however.
Yeah, however you say
and
it.
it's just soda water with like the syrup in it, and it was so good. Because we're actively trying to drink less alcohol on this trip because we are always so bloated when we leave and end up spending $1 billion just on like
We're always
drinks.
bloated by like day 3.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and hold off till like day 4 or 5 to become bloated.
Yeah, just trying to delay the inevitable.
Yeah. So like the lychee refresher, I feel like was a really good middle ground where you don't have to drink, but you still get something delicious. It's not just like fountain soda.
Yeah, I drink Sprite.
Yeah, but it was good. Now we're going to Everest. I honestly don't know if my belly can handle Everest after eating all of that.
Yeah.
But we're gonna see how it goes. And my arm hurts now, so we'll see it later. All right, so that concludes our day in Animal Kingdom because he just went with Brandon and Heidi on Expedition Everest 3 times.
in a row.
I went on once. The first time we went, it like paused.
Stops towards the end. And, then,
And like before you go in the room, like with the actual Yeti that used to come out, you just like, we were just like a standstill. And then you just like, and all the lights were off. Yeah. But I ate too much at dinner to go on 3 times.
Understandably.
So I left them to their own defenses and they rode. The park is officially closed now. We need to go check into our hotel.
Unpack.
Yeah, we have a ton to unpack.
Take a shower.
Yeah. And then as of right now, the plan for tomorrow is Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
If we do anything interesting or want to show you like a quick view of the hotel, we're staying at the Hilton Garden Suite, no,
That's SeaWorld.
HGVC, Hilton Grand Vacation Club at SeaWorld.
I know it's at SeaWorld, yeah, I know that.
Yeah, so we will show you the room maybe, or if it's in depth enough, make a whole room tour. So we just got into our room at the HGVC SeaWorld. You have this fun little alcove. We just got the studio this time because we were staying for longer, so we didn't want to use like extraneous points. So that's the bathroom. Tommy's in there. Here's the closet, ironing board, iron safe, trash can, extra blankets, everything you need. There's like a little kitchenette, and we actually packed a bunch of food because last time we were in Disney with Brandon and Heidi, they went back to the resort and had a delicious looking pizza, and we were so envious. So we packed just some like late night and hotel like can make food. So we packed like mac and cheese. I made these little protein muffins at home, some chips, peanut butter and jelly, peanut butter and fluff, everything important. Here's all of our room with all of our stuff, case of water. So it's perfect for like what we need. We just need it to come in, sleep, whatever. So it's awesome. So you'll see what you see. If we do anything interesting, we'll show you tonight. If not, we'll see you in the next video. He's not gonna say bye. Bye.